Friends, so happy to see you all. We are at lesson number 125. This is connected to something that's about to happen soon. You are all aware that soon it's the festivals that are celebrated by Christians. One is called Good Friday. Yes, Good Friday, sign for Friday.
So many different signs.
And also on Sunday, it is Easter, the day that Jesus has risen. So, we will be learning some signs connected to these two occasions. And we will also learn the importance of these festivals in this lesson in a little bit more detail. So now let's look at some signs related to Good Friday and Easter. Sins. Sins. Fasting. Go without food or water. Fasting. Crucifixion. Being nailed on the cross. Crucifixion. Being nailed on the cross. 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 Sacrifice. Sacrifice. Salvation. Salvation. Suffer. Suffer. Resurrection. The act of rising from the dead and living. Resurrection. Now that we have finished learning new signs, let's understand the importance of Good Friday. Good Friday, sign for good and Friday finger spelled or signed this way, is the day on which Christians all over remember how Jesus Christ was crucified on the cross. At a place called Calvary. It is a holiday and is remembered as Good Friday. In fact, the whole week is of significance. This 1 week, starting from last Sunday to this Sunday, is called the Holy Week. Good Friday, is commemorated for the crucifixion and the suffering that Jesus Christ went through by being nailed on the cross and facing abuse and torture and mockery, and resulting in his death. So this is a very special day for all. On this day, people fast and worship and pray and remember the sacrifice that Jesus Christ has made and how he took the sins of whole mankind upon him and suffered the shame and guilt for everyone in order to save everybody. So this is a very important day and is called Good Friday. Three days after Jesus was crucified and buried, he rose. And this is the festival of Easter. It is called the day of resurrection of Jesus Christ. It's a victorious day when Jesus Christ is said to have defeated death and he arose from the grave to give salvation to all mankind. Christians all over take this day to worship God and gather together to show love and unity. This is the day of resurrection of Jesus Christ, which gives a message of hope to mankind, no matter how sinful or full of mistakes or have faced losses in life. The Son of God has given his life for all through his death. That those who believe in Jesus' death and resurrection is given the gift of eternal life, that those of faith will be welcomed into the kingdom of heaven upon their death. So this day spreads this message of hope to one and all.